Beauty products to swim toys and swirly treats, anything with bright rainbow colors and sparkles, lots of sparkles, it's in right now. It seems to have started last spring when Starbucks sold the mystical color-changing drink and they called it a unicorn frappuccino. Do you remember that? Or maybe it was when unicorn toast made headlines on the internet. It was all over Pinterest. Well, despite how the trends roll, nearly every young girl always likes unicorns, right? And let's be honest, these grown-up women, we're not that far behind either. Today we have some freebies for a homemade unicorn party, one that only looks purchased as a package from the party store. Aly Dosdall pulled together this theme for us today. It's so great to see you.
To see you too.
I mean, you're everybody's favorite friend when you're bringing in sparkles and rainbows and unicorns, right?
Yeah, right? I mean, who doesn't love a unicorn? I remember when I was a kid, it was all about the rainbows and the puffy stickers and the unicorns, and now my daughters, you know, love it. I think it's just the mystical, magical, mythical properties of unicorn that just is lovable for every generation.
We have to credit the queen of unicorns, which I mean, today it's you. Don't get me wrong. Today it's you. But back when I was younger, it was that Lisa Frank name, remember?
Yeah,
and I made the mistake 2 weeks ago. I was telling you this before the show of saying, is Lisa Frank even around? And like, all hail the Lisa Frank fans. My inbox was inundated with people saying, yes, she's still around. So apparently it's a trend that is just here forever, right?
It's
here to stay.
Here to stay. Yep.
So what are the style markers then, Aly, for a strong unicorn-themed party?
Okay, so like you said, rainbow colors, bright fun colors, sparkle, anything with glitter, iridescence, metallic, gems, sequins. So you just all feminine, whimsical, just lots of fun.
Is the color palette bold and bright, or is it soft and pastel?
I think you can do both. I think you can pull in the traditional bright rainbow colors. If you want to go that direction, you can do what we've got here, kind of a softer, more muted tone. But as long as there's lots of colors, then you're good.
Bring on the rainbow. What party planning strategy did you put to play here?
Okay, so this is kind of semi-handmade. So half DIY, half not. So we've got some printed elements here. So it's, you know, you can cut them out with your hands. You can use a die cutting machine to cut them out. And then there's full-on DIY. There's store-bought, so it's kind of a mix.
I like feeling that I put a little bit of creative energy into it, right?
Exactly.
You feel like you can take a little more ownership out of the idea. Where do you want to start? This looks so fun.
So we're going to start over here with these fun unicorn writing sticks. I don't know what you call them.
I feel like they need to be named.
Yes.
Aly and Brooke. There they are. Done and done.
Aly and Brooke. Okay. So who's the pink one?
I'll take pink.
Okay.
Can I?
Pink. I'll be rainbow. Okay. So this would be a great game at the party. You could just have a little race, you know, have them all like ride in the yard with the unicorn sticks. And it's so easy. You just print these, cut them out, stick them on top of some dowels from Home Depot or Lowe's.
This is a printable?
Yes.
Okay, because I don't have a birthday party in my sight or in my view, but my daughter would, I know, spend hours skipping around the house.
Christmas, perfect.
Love it. Every day?
Oh yeah, every day. Yeah,
We'll link you over to those printables from our website to make it easy too. Okay, these take the cake.
So these are just headbands, unicorn headbands. They're all over Pinterest, all over Instagram.
You made these?
Yeah, they're easy to make. Just buy these like at the dollar store. You can get a big old pack of headbands.
Right.
You're gonna buy these at your craft store, Joann or Michael's or something, a fabric store, and you just hot glue them on, make some little ears, a little paper cone, add some sparkle. And I'll show you how to do that when we're done talking about all the rest of this, but it's really easy to do.
Okay, so that tutorial is just a few minutes away. That's adorable.
Yes.
All right, these are treat sacks?
So these actually are lunch sacks. This party is kind of based on the printables from my friend, Amy Robison. She's a local designer here, and she's designed this whole party kit that you can get on her website, and we'll link you up to that, like you said. But this is a lunch sack. So this is the easy part where you don't have to kill yourself with a meal. You just throw in a sandwich, some chips, you know, a juice box, and hand it to all the kids. Yeah, just pull it off the table. It's easy.
It's pre-assembled. We're not fumbling with flimsy paper plates, right? Or sprinkling crumbs all over the floor.
Exactly.
I like that. I like that.
Yep. So these are little 3D party hats with the rainbow unicorn mane on the back, and those are easy. You can make those with the printable set.
That comes in the kit too?
Comes in the kit.
What about this confetti?
This is actually temporary tattoos.
Oh.
So you can buy temporary tattoo paper and run it through your printer and then cut these little guys out, and those are perfect little party favors.
Oh my gosh, nothing cooler than a temporary unicorn tattaoo, right?
Yes, exactly.
Love it, okay.
Yeah. So, and then for a favor, these are just the lollipops, the spiral lollipops, and then you just print out this little guy, cut him out, and stick him in. So this is the unicorn horn.
Cute.
Unicorn, so you can hand those out at the end of the party.
There they are again, Aly and Brooke.
Yep,
repeating theme at this party. What is this goo?
This is slime. This is a big thing right now. Yes. Slime is huge. So
we dedicated a whole week to it here.
Yes.
It was slime week.
Exactly. Yeah. So this is your activity. This is one of your activities at the party. Just make some unicorn slime, and all you have to do is throw in glitter, gems, sparkles, whatever, you know, sequins. You can throw in anything, beads, whatever you want, and it's unicorn slime.
Despite devoting a whole week to it here on the show, it still hasn't like calmed my gag reflex. Something about the slime just like, I don't know, it grosses me out in the prettiest way. That's pretty slime, but okay, what are these?
So these are paper fans. Again, this is part of the printable party set, and they can make these at the party. They're super easy to make, just some glue and, you know, give them the fan and the stick and they can put it together.
Cute.
And then these are ribbons for the game. So if you have games, you can give out, you know, first place, second place, or you can do the number of, or the age of the child, 3, 5, whatever, and just give everybody the same, right?
Everybody's a winner, right? Okay, these, I said those take the cake. These really do take the cake. They are a cupcake, and they're so darling.
Okay, so these are easy. It's just a band of white paper, and, you know, I drew a little face on there.
You just freehanded that?
Yeah, well, that's based on the designs of my friend Amy.
Sure.
And then, again, just a little paper cone, stick it in the top. It's got ears. And can I just talk about this cake stand for a second?
Please, yeah, it's
because
gorgeous.
If you like to throw parties or entertain at all, this is the only cake stand you will ever need. It's 3-tiered, but it's also collapsible.
Oh my gosh.
So you could do 2 levels, you could do 1 level, and all of these pieces come apart and they store underneath this base.
Stop it,
yeah,
really?
So this is from our local friend, Sweet Tooth Fairy.
Oh,
and
yes.
so she's distributing her amazing products through American Crafts, and she's a genius. Like, I will never own another cake stand.
We love Megan, and I haven't seen this. I've seen this on the website. I haven't seen this in person. It's genius.
Isn't
Plastic.
amazing?
It's not going to break.
Right.
Oh,
Washable.
gosh. I love how the swirl of the frosting just accentuates the horn there on top.
Yeah.
All right, what's behind us?
Okay, so this is another fun game. You just print this out. This is one of the printables from the party set. You can do that like at a Alpha Graphics or wherever you print your posters, and buy a cheap poster frame, stick it up, and it's got these little horns, you know, and you just pin the horn on the unicorn.
Oh my gosh,
so,
of course, there's always a pin the something, right?
the something,
for every party theme. All right, we've got about a minute left. You promised us that cute headband tutorial.
So easy. Just take your headband from the dollar store. You're going to put some hot glue.
Did you already back that with felt?
No, this comes pre-made like this, which makes it so easy.
Nice.
See what I'm saying? So it looks just like you've spent forever. Now, my glue gun's not. I'm just going to push that in with my
glue gun. You and that glue gun have gone the rounds, though. I can see.
Yeah.
You're well acquainted.
Oh, yeah.
Good friends.
Okay, so we're going to stick that on, and that provides you like with a base.
Right.
That's going to hold on your horn.
The horn has the right amount of bling on it, too.
Yeah, so that's actually just paper that I put on there, gold paper. Yeah.
And just wrapped it around?
Yep.
I like that.
You could do ribbon, you could do twine, anything metallic or gold, and then you're just going to slide that right in there.
So hot glue makes the world go round with this project.
And then you've got ears.
I didn't know unicorns had ears. I guess of course
they're
they
like
do.
Horses, yeah. So,
but I knew they had a horn. That doesn't replace the ears. They have both.
No, they have both. Yeah.
Okay.
So
I'm glad we got that straight.
I know, right? Okay, so then you've got that and that. And of course, that's flopping down because the glue's still wet.
I mean, I did rush you. I was like breathing over your shoulder.
We've only got a bit here, but
cute.
That's
so
the
cute.
idea. Yeah.
And fun to make as well. You're going to wrap up this entire party, package it for us on your website too.
Yes. Well, it's on my website. I'm going to have tutorials for the cupcakes and the headbands, and then my friend Amy Robinson has all the information about this cute party set on her website, and it's available there. All the downloads.
I'm sure you'll link us too, though, just to make it easy.
Yes,
okay.
Links
all around.
Yep.
Thank you so much. Super fun. What a fun, happy way to start our morning. All right.